JB Moro, go and get your bag.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I am doing a tutorial on a Wig Fever wig. This wig is 16-inch straight glueless wig from Wig Fever. It is pre-cut, it's pre-plucked, and basically ready to wear. So super excited for this. It's my first time trying a glueless wig, and I'm just kind of feeling just to make sure the length is pretty consistent, which I'm excited about. It's very thick, very pretty. I also love how Wig Fever has all these goodies, things to lay your edges, a bag to put your wig in, a wig cap, combs, everything you need to get this install started. So, of course, I'm just going ahead to put my foundation on, and you want to make sure you use your foundation to put on not only on the lace but also on your cap. So I'm doing that right now. I'm just making sure it's all evenly distributed. And of course, going in to put foundation on the cap, and you want to be sure to put it everywhere you feel that lace will lay. 2 adjustable straps. This was, again, very simple, very easy to just put on. And as you can see, 3, 2, 1. That literally took no time. I'm gonna say 10 seconds. Literally 10 seconds. And just look at the lace wear. If you could hear the wows, like just the, oh my God, super shocked, perplexed is a better word. Right, so easy. I'll make sure to have everything linked in the description box below for this wig, but what I said, period. So I'm just taking a comb to show you that it is glueless. No tricks here. I didn't use anything, at least at this time. And I'm just, feeling it. As you can see, this wig is very thick. The length is consistent. There's not a whole lot of straggly areas. The wig is totally, it's made very well. And you can't tell me it ain't my hair. That's for real, period. So I'm showing you again, it's glueless. And I decided to do a side part, so I'm just kind of shifting that over. And I'm not going to talk too much here. I'm just going to allow you to enjoy the video of everything that I do. Again, I'll make sure to link everything I used here in the description box below. Enjoy. And there y'all have it, my crew. This wig, like I said, super easy to install, very thick, very beautiful, and glueless. Absolutely looks like it's coming out of my scalp. If you haven't clicked that link already to get a wig like this or any of their glueless wigs from Wig Fever, what are you doing with your life? So y'all, that is it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Deuce.